How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Quick Login and Delete, and in today's tutorial, I will show you guys how you will be able to refund on Temu without returning your item. So did you know that for some items you can get a team refund without returning your item? When returning some items, you may see this message pops up. You can see you are eligible for a refund without returning anything this time. So as you can see, you are welcome to keep these items for free. Temu will process your refund immediately after you submit the refund request. You still can use the free return for this order after this request is processed if needed. While this is most likely because it is more cost effective for Temu to give you a refund without them paying for return. You will find this out when you go through the return process on Temu and see if you can get a team refund. Now if you want to do the process here, open your app and tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Then click on your orders option. Here on processing, you will find here an option or a button where you can refund your product, and then you will find the message if you are eligible for a refund without returning item. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Have any question or additional tips on Temu? Drop a comment below. Happy shopping!